Lisa Fry, the Catholic Unschooler here. I have a grocery haul for you. Yes. Let's see what we got these. All right. One of my children has stomach problems big time, so we have to be really careful. And this is a great alternative to regular pastas. This here has just chickpea flour. Okay. And they put pesto with it and olive oil, and it's really, really good. Okay, so if you like that, you're interested. Carbohydrates 34 in 2 ounces. So it is high in carbs, but it doesn't hurt her. So, oh, and I got you some turmeric tea, Daddy. He can't hear me. Turmeric tea. This is with ginger, non-GMO, organic, and it's gonna heal some joints around here. That's good for inflammation. Turmeric. Put it into your soups, you know. Peppermint Delight probiotic. Healthy digestion. Yep.
Can I make one?
Sure. You might want to ask him if he wants it. That way we don't have to put the stove on twice. So I got another one of these. I think I got 5. I'm going to make a nice macaroni salad with ranch dressing with you for this, okay?
No, I hate that. I'm not.
Yeah, but you don't know. It might be good with the ranch dressing. So I got 4 of those. Okay. All right. I bought 2 bags of these. This brand is really salty and way more crunchier than the other one. I don't know the brand name of it. Yeah, let me see. I don't know the brand name of the other one, but the other one is what I had first. All right. Eat Smart Snacks veggie chips with sea salt. Well, at least it's good salt. You know, you don't want to eat the other table white salts. They actually rob your body of nutrition. All right, let's see what else we got. What else? Okay. Now, I normally would only make our own fruit shakes, but like I said, we have a stomach problem and they get special treatment at the moment. So, this here, I like this new brand because look, it says 42 and a half. Oh, yeah, they have to put a half. 42 and a half strawberries. See the label? It's cute. 3.5 bananas, 3 pears, and 3 3/4 apples. Isn't that a neat way of saying what's in it, though? That's nice. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's really cool. So there it is.
Where did you go? Just Market
No. I went to my discounted store. And this here, we love walnuts because they are really good for you, really great in salads, or if you just want a snack. I'm going to make a stir fry if I have the energy. All right, so I found these for $2.20 in the discounted section. So there's good 4 there.
Oh, I love that in salad.
What, this here?
Yeah.
I know, but I'm going to make a stir fry too. That is good. And this is great on it. If you can eat pizza, that's really great on a pizza. Oh my gosh.
I'll put it on.
Huh?
I'll put it
Oh, you
on.
can. You should cut some up for yourself. Yeah, the pizza, I finally found great pizza.
It's like the best.
Oh, amazing.
You ever went to Spinelli's?
Now, even though the Papagino's one is good, right? You would agree? You like this one better. The Papagino's one, frozen section at your local store is great, but there's a brand. This. Oh, hold on a second. I got another one of these, so that makes 5. We're going to have a snowstorm, supposedly, so we wanted to hunker down. This is Diorio's pizza. This is, so you know, like it's like Elio's, but Elio's stinks way far. It's so not even close. This is so good.
I wouldn't squash the company like that.
I know I don't want to squish Elio's. We've relied on them for many years, so I'm sorry about that. But this here is amazing. Wow. Woo, woo, woo. All right, I only had a sliver. I wish I could eat the whole entire thing, but I just can't. I got 3 of those. Yep, and then Mr. Fry likes marinated mushrooms. These are so good. If you like mushrooms, whoa. That is superb. And we're going to make banana bread using almond flour. Oh, I'm sorry. This is baking powder. Yeah, and the reason why I chose this one is because, see, look, no added aluminum, which I didn't even know that they put aluminum in there, and I don't need that. Okay? So, all right, that's that. Now, I remember I don't know if you were with me the other day, but we bought grapefruit seltzer water, and if I drank a cologne, which I have never, but if I were, I would think it would taste like that. It was terrible. But this brand is absolutely wonderful. So I was in the mood for grapefruit. So we got that. All right. Moving right along. We got Brussels sprouts. Normally, Mr. Fry can take home Brussels sprouts if he has them at his work. The thing is,
Take home the gold for
he's out of work for a week, so we had to buy this. We get a whole box full. This is rinky-dink compared to that. But you can put tahini with this, or just peanut butter and some oil. Unbelievable. Highly recommended. Okay? Sarah likes it when I say that. Highly recommended. Why? All right, and we got watermelon. There's the price for you. All right, that's for the upset stomachs in the house. Who is it? Let me show you. Oh, Bank of America.
These I can make these. I made them.
See this here? These are sprouted grains, which means that it's not dead bread. If it doesn't say sprouted, your bread is dead. So sprouted,
Well, I mean, I don't want my bread.
non-GMO.
We do that.
Oh, yeah. You know something I did?
And I never tried this before. Oh,
He actually
yeah, this here, I'm not big into grains, but my family still is somewhat. But these are dinner rolls.
Sparrow
Isn't it nice? They were $3. I think that's a lot of money, but not for health. Okay, and then
He has an actual accent. I didn't know that.
this was $2 and something. You got your sprouted grains, non-GMO. That just means that they didn't put bacteria into their grains when they were growing it. So I got 3 of those. 1, 2, and 3. I won't show you the other one because I got to make room on the table. All right. You don't want to hand me another bag, do you? My feet hurt. Come on, do it for your mother. I'll get you on tape. Come on, hurry up,
No.
please. All right.
You what?
Okay. Oh, this is great. You should do that every time. Okay, so we found bananas that are really they're on the way out, so we bought them, and we're gonna make banana bread with almond flour.
We're not getting bananas anymore?
What? Oh no, I'm just saying, like, if you want to make banana bread, they should really be on the more rotteny side. Not rotten, but very, very, very ripe. Sethi needed a little water. Steven, I got you some peanut butter and jelly crackers this time. Okay? Is that alright? Yeah, right.
You can't really please that man.
It has peanut butter and... Well, there's another one in there still, right?
Why do you make that kind of
I got more Land O'Lakes. I'm staying away from cheese, man. So far, my lungs have been doing all right. Not great, but much better since I've been staying away from the cheese. And now they have this new coffee. I wanted decaf, so
And also,
I got this one here at Market Basket. Probably your local grocery store. There it is, decaf.
I know. I didn't do my
$10.
it pulls it out.
But let me get more, unless Rachel wants to bring it to me.
No.
Oh, come on, help me out. My feet are sore.
And my brain is sore.
Then I have to put all this away. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Another bag of those chips.
Daddy just fucking knows now.
I know.
know. And I think this is the only, well, this and Sub Rolls are the only white flour product besides those cookies. And besides this, not cookies, those crackers for Daddy.
Sorry about that.
Right.
First,
Sorry about the outburst. Oh.
I like cookies. Cookies.
All right. Wait till you see. Wait till you see.
Wait till you see.
That's Sethi's. Okay.
So
Well, I
confused.
used to hurt to put my shoes on with my foot.
Yeah.
Piece of cake.
Oh, all the prayers are working.
Come in here.
All right. So, oops. I got more lettuce because we're gonna be inbound for the weekend. So I got
Yeah,
lettuce.
for like an hour.
Yeah, and I was gonna make a stir fry tonight.
I'll eat. I'm sorry.
Wait. When is it? When is it supposed to snow?
We got more. It's mostly for Rachel, believe it or not, huh?
Make some food. Oh, these are crispy.
I think tomorrow. Isn't it supposed to snow tomorrow?
These are done.
Here we
No,
go.
just a little.
He likes them nice.
No, these are crunchier.
Oh. You might have to take me tomorrow then.
Listen, you gotta cover the watermelon, or it's gonna die.
Right.
Without instructions. You have to come
I love this. Look, non-GMO
Yeah.
cocoa powder.
No go.
You have to come
Isn't that awesome? I got
Put
2.
your head down.
This is my hot chocolate at night.
Hamburger
And
rolls? We're having hamburgers?
oh, I didn't buy the meats. I don't know why I bought that.
Time ago.
I couldn't bring myself to buy the meat. It was right there, but I was like, I couldn't do it. I figured we were getting so fancy with all the vegetables lately, right?
Yep, yep.
And hey, what are you doing?
No, I'm sorry.
I'm getting done.
All right.
That's why I did it.
Yes. All right. And then, sorry I dropped you. Are you okay?
I dropped you.
Yeah. Sethi grabbed this. Sethi always grabs the trashy foods.
We love it.
Only one of those though. We love it. It doesn't love you back though. This is really good if you have oily hair. Oh.
I want
All right.
some pizza too.
Oh, you better put it in now. That's the best pizza ever. You should be eating that for your knee.
No, I'm hungry.
Oh no, that's the excuse.
You got they put extra cheese on it.
All right. This is
I don't
for the stomach problem.
What is that?
Butternut squash.
Oh, I thought those were like carrots or like.
No. And these were on sale. Strawberries, only for $1.49.
You bought more
Okay.
cheese? You had a whole cheese in here.
Oh, I didn't know.
Sorry, I'll eat it.
All right. So 2 of those.
Oh, Rachel, isn't that sad? I got.
It's like never ending.
Look at it.
All right. And
Look at it. It was like
what
hollow.
else? What else? Oh,
That's scary. Me.
some lettuce for Miffy, the bun babe.
Look, it's her tongue.
Ew! Ew! Don't eat it. That's funny. Show Daddy. All right. We got this here.
What is that?
Lettuce and parsley. That's for the bun.
I don't like how they tape up these bags because they just rip.
I know. I thought it was me being a brute,
The
but.
whole thing ripped.
Hold on.
You don't have mozzarella cheese?
Yeah, in there, shredded. It should be in there in the drawer, maybe.
Mozzarella?
Should be. Okay. This here, kale. Did we get Miffy kale too? We did, right? You got 2? Yes, that means yes. Yes, mother. All right. I don't even know where to put any of this. Okay, so pesto and balsamic vinegar, non-GMO and organic. I got you your own horrible salad dressings, Daddy. Italian. With the horrible stuff in it.
Why not ranch?
Well, we did. I got Reg for that, but you drink the whole bottle at one time, so
I don't
Drink
drink.
it.
you know what I mean.
Alright.
All right.
All right,
These
we
here,
haven't done a dinner one time.
if you
I love the candlelight.
use, what did she say?
Candlelight.
What's the other kind I was talking about? Oh. What is it? There are certain pads that you shouldn't use because they can irritate your skin. Always.
It's always irritating.
It's always irritating. So, the doctor told me that it was known to do that. So, she said to not ever buy those if you can help it. So, we got non-GMO, organic, Italian dressing. Good stuff. Good stuff. Are they good? Oh yeah. Can I see that? I gotta show them that too. Are they all right? Okay, so this here, sweet potatoes. I mean, you can actually make these yourself.
Yeah, I did.
Those are supposed to be in the oven.
All right. Again, non-GMO. Are they organic too?
You sell pizza?
Salad dressing. If it's not non-GMO, it's got canola oil, soybean oil, whatever you want to call it, oil, and it's garbage. That's with all that bacteria they put in there.
No,
So
I know.
this is great. I never had this Italian one yet, but I'm sure it's going to be great. All right, but they are small bottles, 2 for $5. We got Daddy this one. Even though it is wonderful, it's not wonderful at the same time. Okay, and pears. Does it say pears backwards? Yep. And Caesar. And more ranch. Okay. And then
20 minutes?
What?
lentil chips, sea salt, non-GMO. This is all these chips are for the
17?
except for the veggie chips are for the belly in the house that's not well. Okay, and then guess who these are for? Who can
20. I
guess?
mean, 16.
My son, my son.
Ah!
I know. He's not ready to. Right, I got 3 of these. I already showed you that. Diorio.
Barney wings.
Hey.
Okay.
Sweet potatoes for the belly in the house. It's funny because before this particular person would not eat any of this stuff, but now it's like gold. See what happens?
I get happy about salad. I beg.
Oh yeah, we
Why
do.
don't you buy
We're
a small one?
we're a big salad. What? What?
Beg Rachel
Because that's all I
for
have.
salad.
There's no big ones over there.
You have to go to Walmart.
I'm not going to Walmart though. All right, look, 2. This is a big
No,
can.
so he's going to use that in one sitting.
Well, we have
in
to
the
hide
bar.
it then. 1 pound, 13 ounces.
The other ones are better.
I know. Those are so salty and hard, right? I know. Well, we learn, right? Okay, so
Well, it's
we have 2
incredible.
big cans of this. This is great in soups and salads and great protein.
Take my mushrooms.
So 6 grams of protein in a half a cup. Yeah. Oh, well,
Yeah.
I don't know. Are you going to find one that's just as
Oh, she got
high?
that. Everybody's.
So I got 2 of those cans. And then, what else? What else? Oh, yeah, look what else I got, Daddy.
Yeah.
You're going to love it. Oh, it's not going to be as high, though.
All right, whatever.
We'll just wait. 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 Oh, I did get you these. Look. Got 3 of these. Unsalted. Look, sunflower seeds, Daddy.
Yes, I love that.
All right, and I got you more peanuts, dry roasted,
Honey roasted?
honey roasted, and the dry ones there. Over there. Lightly salted. Always go for the lightly
I eat
salted.
all the eggs. I love
Oh, good.
them. I eat those for breakfast.
Oh, boy. That's what usually they do. Okay, now let me show you what else. One last item, and that is all of that. That is actually a small package. I was hoping for the larger one, but they didn't. They were all out. They didn't have it. Okay, well that concludes our grocery haul. We're gonna be snowed in with all this deliciousness, and I'm gonna make a stir fry tonight, and we'll have a stir fry by candlelight. And remember that God is good all the time.
Salad.
And salad. Amen. I forgot about the baby Bellas and the light. Usually I don't care for light because it's the healthy fat where it's at, but the stomach problem in the house can't deal with it right now. So that's that. And these lovely bananas for 99 cents. There's your banana bread.